Did you know that 90% of new traders fail because they can't read stock charts? But what if I told you AI can change that in under 5 minutes? That's right. With the right tools, you can turn confusion into confidence and make smarter trading decisions. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can leverage AI to read stock charts quickly and effectively. First, let's talk about what a stock chart actually is. A stock chart visually represents a stock's price movements over time. There are several types of charts, including line, bar, and candlestick charts. Each type displays the data in different ways, but they all serve the same purpose, helping traders understand price trends. Line charts show the closing prices over time, bar charts provide more detail, and candlestick charts reveal opening, closing, high, and low prices. Understanding these charts is crucial for anyone looking to trade successfully. Now let's shift gears and talk about AI in finance. Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we analyze stock data. In fact, a recent survey revealed that over 50% of finance professionals use AI tools for market analysis. Why? Because AI processes vast amounts of data quickly, identifying patterns that humans might miss. With AI, you can get insights from data that would take hours to analyze manually. But how does this apply to reading stock charts? Stay tuned because I'll cover that shortly. Before we dive into AI enhancements, let's cover the basics of reading a stock chart. Key components include price trends, volume, and indicators. Price trends show the direction the stock is moving, up, down, or sideways. Volume tells you how many shares were traded during a specific time frame, which can indicate the strength of a price move. Indicators like moving averages and the relative strength index, RSI, help you gauge momentum and potential reversals. Understanding these elements is essential as they will guide your decision-making process. But how can AI make this process easier? I'm glad you asked. AI enhances stock chart analysis in several compelling ways. For instance, AI tools can analyze historical data to predict future price movements based on patterns. Imagine having a virtual analyst that scans thousands of charts in seconds. One popular tool, for example, uses machine learning algorithms to identify bullish and bearish trends. Let me show you a quick demo of one such AI trading software. You'll see how it highlights potential trading opportunities and alerts you to significant changes in the market. Now let's get practical. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to using AI for reading stock charts. First, select an AI tool. Many offer free trials, so you can start without commitment. Next, input the stock data you want to analyze. This could be the stock's historical prices, volume, and even news headlines. Finally, interpret the results. The AI will provide insights and recommendations based on its analysis. By following these steps, you can turn yourself into a more informed trader in just a few minutes. But let's see this in action with a real-world example. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you're analyzing a stock like XYZ Corp. Before using AI, you might see fluctuating prices and struggle to make sense of them. Now, using AI, you input XYZ Corp's data. The AI might identify a bullish pattern, showing a potential upward trend. After applying the AI's insights, you could confirm your trades with more confidence. It's like having a seasoned analyst helping you make decisions. This can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used AI for stock analysis? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. Also, if you're interested, I'm offering a free guide on stock chart analysis in the description. Don't miss out. To sum it up, reading stock charts doesn't have to be daunting. With AI, you can simplify the process and make better trading decisions faster. Remember, technology is here to help you navigate the complex world of trading. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to love our next one, where we'll cover the top 5 AI tools for stock market success. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insights. This is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.